Welcome to another episode of InRange. I've already done 2 videos on the channel about this product, and with it I demonstrated that there were significant issues, at least with mine, in terms of bullet stabilization and accuracy. Alright, that's 4 rounds on one target.
Nothing?
Nothing. And then I did another video trying to analyze what was going on. Was it one barrel or both, or were the rounds causing some sort of issue with one another as they're passing down the barrel or leaving the muzzle with their gas blast, because this does fire 2 rounds simultaneously with one trigger press. And it didn't turn out to be any of those things. It turned out to be that one of the 2 barrels had a stabilization issue, and upon that leaving the barrel and tumbling, I believe it also impacted the other round and made the issues even worse. So if you fired only the right barrel, you could reasonably hit the 3 yards. If you fired only the left barrel, you could not hit at 3 yards, and if you fired both rounds at the same time, which is what this is designed to do, you couldn't reliably hit past 3 yards. Wow, a few of those actually hit to point of aim. Here's the right barrel, here's the left barrel. I contacted Standard Manufacturing via their support email address provided on their website and their form, did that multiple times, and received absolutely no reply whatsoever, no response, nothing. I even included a link to the video and received no response. I then called and left voicemails and received no response. Subsequently, I did hear from viewers in the audience that they had issues with their S333 in terms of bullet stabilization. And I also heard from viewers in the audience that there were some really significant customer service issues that they had with Standard Manufacturing, above and beyond just this issue of bullet stabilization. So, it's not just a sample of one at this point. I had problems with the gun, and then I had problems with them in that they just didn't reply to me whatsoever, like as though I didn't exist. And I did buy this gun with my own money. This is not a demo model. I paid for this gun. As did the customers that contacted me in the audience that had problems with them in terms of customer service issues with problems with their gun, whether it didn't fire out of the box or had issues with stabilization or whatever. So, but there is an update from Standard Manufacturing. They've come out with a new model, surprisingly with a slightly longer barrel. Strange. I wonder if that has something to do with the issues that we're talking about in my videos that they didn't feel was necessary to address to people who spent money on their product. Here is the answer on how you deal with Standard Manufacturing. Not just the S333, by the way. Standard Manufacturing makes other products, and I don't know if those other products are good or not. I don't. I haven't worked with any of them. This is the only Standard Manufacturing product I've ever dealt with. But considering what happened with this, considering that they've come out with an update to this gun, that they did not really contact me as one of their customers that might fix the problem. They just ignored me entirely. Amongst other issues I've heard from them, I would not buy a Standard Manufacturing product regardless of what it was. I don't care if the reviews are good on it or not. If you have a problem, chances are they're not going to help you. So make sure your gun's cleared. And here's what you do so you make sure no one else has a problem with their Standard Manufacturing gun, because I would not want to sell this cursed item on to someone else. You take it and you just get rid of it. It's a piece of garbage, just like the company that made it. Thank you for all of you out there that support this channel via Patreon, because it's truly you, the viewers, that make this channel possible. You can't do reviews like this and be this honest when you have sponsors and overlords, and InRange doesn't have them. InRange is entirely supported by you, the viewer. And as a result, I can be honest with you about these sorts of things. So thank you to all of you that keep InRange alive. If you'd like to consider it and see this type of legitimate, honest review on the internet, please consider it. You can find us at patreon.com/InRangeTV. If you can't, totally understand. We are still in the midst of this pandemic, and it's a troubling world. Just subscribe to one of our multiple distribution points. You can find them all at InRange.tv/watch. Not just on YouTube. Subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.